Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about my PSM1 project, and I'm from Faculty of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering Technology. My name is Muhammad Abdullah bin Subaha, and my supervisor is TS Muhammad Idain Fahmi bin Rosli. My PSM title is Design and Manufacturing Improvement for Hydro Quality System, which is Hydroqs. And this is the introduction, the water pollution in Melaka River. And next is the Perbadanan Pembangunan Sungai dan Pantai Melaka PPSPM. And this is the organisation that monitor the quality of water in Melaka River. And this is the problem statement. Firstly is risky dumping, which is many people throw rubbish to the Melaka River. And then all this research more on short term. As an example, some of the device that been created only last for 1 to 3 months. Okay, and the next point is change from stagnant or come to fast in a very short period. And below is the explanation for this point. The Batu Hampa water barrage, the gate will open to allow the water to get in to Bandar Hilir. And the Bandar Hilir water barrage is closed. So the water will trap the flooding trash in the area, so it may become more polluted. That is the current wave generated from the MRC board. Okay, and for the Hydroqs device, we need to put the device on Melaka River. So, by the wave that generated by the river flow, it may affect our device to move. So that's why we need to make our product become high in strength. And next is the objective. Firstly, I need to design the Hydroqs by using SolidWorks. I'm using SolidWorks because SolidWorks is more easier to assemble every part and make analysis. And then, to make sure all necessary parts of the product can be used for good purpose. And this is because, in an example, if we have 5 power bank to use, I just need to make 5 compartments for 5 power bank. There's no need to make more because other free space can use for other parts like wiring or maybe sensor and camera. And lastly, to make an improvement on the design of Hydroqs. So after I make the product, I need to make improvements to make the product become more quality and high in strength. Okay. This is my scope of research. Firstly, the scope of research is to determine the quality of water in Melaka River, and then to design and fabricate the low weight of hydro quality system, and finally to design and fabricate the high strength of hydro quality system. And the last point is synchronized with the point with the last problem statement just now. The strength is for the wave that generated by the Melaka River curve. Okay, next I will explain about my literature review. And this is about the water pollution in Sungai Melaka. A majority of the water pollution is caused by human activity. So, this PPSM organization in charge to manage, to control the quality of water in Sungai Melaka. Next is the water quality monitoring device. This device is used to monitor the water pollution, pH water level, flow rate, water temperature, dissolved oxygen, total dissolved solid, and turbidity. Next is the pass background. As you can see on the left below is the device that Utem create, which is river trash collector system. Okay, the system is made to gather floating waste oil, gasoline, detergent from water to alleviate the water pollution issue. Okay. Next is this is SLS machine. SLS is the selective laser sintering. Okay. This machine can help us to create certain part to make prototype of our device. And this is SolidWorks, the platform that I use to create 3D design, assembly process, and simulation. This is my methodology. My research method is this project will be obtained along Malacca River. The Hydroqs will be compared to traditional methods, which are time intensive and do not provide real-time data. And then my research area is the research will be conducted at Malacca River to monitor the water quality. Okay. And this research will have collaboration with PPSPM. This device has been developed to be placed at Malacca River to record the data of the water pH level. And this is a flow chart to me finish my project. So hydroquality system. Hydroquality system require such as sensor, solar panel, battery, and solar panel controller. So the design I decided based on feedback and satisfy all sensory criteria. And then we can use SLS to print part that we need to make a prototype for this device. Grinding. Grinding is a process that I use to cutting certain part and make the inner diameter for certain part bigger. And this is the SLS 3D printing. On the left is the machine that we use, and on the right is the process. And this is the failure. Firstly, it's a wrong connector hole. As you can see, on the right part and the left side is separate part. So we need to connect them. So with the wrong connector hole, we cannot connect between these two parts. So the hole for aluminum profile is too tight. Actually, we already key in the real measurement for this hole, but the material have some problems, so that the measurement already become smaller. And then wrong diameter for screw hole. We already proposed 40 mm, but after printing, we only get 20 mm for the hole. Okay, so we need to print it back. And next is the size of the pipe. It's not the same as the housing. The size of pipe is smaller than the housing. So there is too much gap between these two. So for make the device become more quality, we need to make the pipe and the housing quality connect just nice, so the water cannot leak in. And the solar panel cannot enter the housing. The housing is used to put the solar panel and connect all the necessary wiring on the housing. Result and discussion. This is the expected result. The product will be lightweight, durable, watertight, and low drag of Hydroqs housing. and the target of durability is around 1 year. The design improvement that I needed is install a silicone pad between the casing and the frame holder. Then the electronic parts need to be tidied up to be more organized, as you can see on the right picture below. The lid in the body need to be reset. Insert slot to store battery and power bank, as you can see on the right picture below. And insert slot for casing, controller, solar panel. And finally, improve sealing by adding aluminum sheet between parts. On the left, we can see this is the SolidWorks drawing of Hydroqs. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.